Okay, it's Saturday. My name's EK. I'm gonna give you a lyrical breakdown of my day. I woke up this morning and this one just came like spray, bang. I'm gonna chill, clean, cook. Then I'm gonna eat, exercise, and then read a book, put on the TV, take a look. And then after that, I might watch the Chelsea versus Liverpool match. And after that, go and get some cash from the cash machine. Have you seen Mr. Bean? What am I saying? EK, what do you mean? Okay, come back on track. After that, I'm going to come home, call my friend, and then say, hey, we like to pray, so we're going to pray. After that, I might watch Match of the Day. It's a BBC One program. It starts at 10 p.m. Okay. After that, I might sleep and then wake up on Sunday. Obviously, it's not actually obvious because it's by grace you sleep and wake up. But if not for his grace, you will probably sleep and never wake up. Okay, my name's EK. That's spelled I-to-the-K-E. Please don't mess with me because I serve the big God G-O-D and I gotta go now, BYE.